the Atlanta Dream has successfully hired Karl Smesko as their new head coach, making a significant move in the WNBA landscape. Smesko, who spent 23 years at Florida Gulf Coast University, FGCU, built the program into a consistent NCAA tournament contender, achieving an impressive 611-112 record with an .845 winning percentage. Under his leadership, FGCU became known for its exceptional three-point shooting, setting an NCAA record with 431 three-pointers in 2018. Smesko expressed enthusiasm about joining the Dream, citing the opportunity as the right place and the right time. He emphasized the promising conversations he had with the team's general manager and ownership. His coaching philosophy, which focuses on a fast-paced, innovative style that prioritizes three-point attempts and layups, is expected to resonate well with both players and fans. The Dream, coming off a challenging 15-25 season and a playoff exit, boasts a young core led by Rhyne Howard and Alisha Gray, along with veteran center Tina Charles. Smesko is optimistic about the potential for success in Atlanta, stating that the right decisions and continuous improvement could lead to a WNBA championship. In conjunction with Smesko's hiring, Chelsea Lyles, a former FGCU player and Smesko's top assistant, has been appointed as the new head coach of the Eagles. Lyles is set to debut in her role this Sunday. Dream owner Larry Gottesdiener hailed the hiring as a pivotal moment for the organization, praising Smesko's commitment to women's basketball and his ability to elevate the team. The WNBA is experiencing a surge in popularity, further motivating Smesko to take on this new challenge. He noted the league's growth and the excitement surrounding emerging stars, reinforcing his belief that now is an ideal time to join the WNBA. With 3 of 7 coaching vacancies already filled this offseason, the Dream are poised for a fresh start under Smesko's leadership.